Hi all, today we are taking a look at how to install Google Drive. Let's get into it. So first off, the easiest way to get to where we need to go is to come to Google, make sure you are signed in, and then come up to this little hamburger menu up here, click on the drop down, and select Drive. Google Drive will load up and you should be given a screen like this. If you have files, they will appear here. And then we're going to come up to this gear cog in the top right, select that, and select Get Drive for Desktop. Once here, we can select Download and Download Drive for Desktop. Now that this is done downloading, we can go ahead and open it up, and we'll also close out of Chrome. Make sure you click Yes on the Google Drive installer. So here we have a couple options if you want to add the application shortcut to your desktop, if you want to have different application icons for Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Personally, I don't mind these, so I'll just let those install. Okay, so we got our icons for the different Google Drive applications, and let's launch. Get started, sign in. This should kick over to Google and allow you to select your email and sign in. Cool, you're signed in, you can close this window. And now you get some options if you want to sync your desktop documents, downloads. You can add any other folder in here and it will automatically sync to Google Drive, creating a backup. For now, I'm just going to skip this. If you'd like to back up pictures or photos, you can also do that. And yes, we do want to add in this File Explorer option. So we'll hit Next and Open. So you now get this little taskbar, this taskbar tray icon. This will allow you to see if anything is currently uploading or downloading from Google Drive. If you open up File Explorer, you now have access to your Google Drive from File Explorer as if it's a normal folder. Let me know if this video helped. Leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.